Hi guys, if your treadmill is showing you this type of E5 error code and it stops working, it usually points to a speed or the motor issue. So in this guide, you are going to learn what are the causes of this particular problem and how you can fix them step by step. So on most of the treadmills, this E5 error code usually appears when the system can't detect the proper speed feedback from the motor. So this happens when the belt isn't moving correctly or when the sensor isn't reading speed. So the fix is very simple. First of all, turn the treadmill on and see if the belt tries to move. If it jerks, slips, or doesn't move at all, it means that the issue may be belt tension or the motor load. So in that case, you can adjust the belt using the rear adjustment bolts so that it's centered and not too tight. You can also then unplug the treadmill and remove the motor cover. After that, you just have to simply locate the speed sensor near the front roller or the motor. Make sure that the speed sensor is aligned and it is not covered with any kind of dust. A misaligned sensor cannot track the belt movement correctly. So after doing so, simply unplug the treadmill for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and start at a low speed. And this is going to clear the temporary control errors and it will also allow the system to recalibrate. So these steps are going to help you quickly identify and fix the E5 error code on your treadmill. Thank you.